now let's paint dogs and learn some expressions today. For this, we are going to need a piece of paper or cardboard, as I have in here. I have a bigger one because I need you to see, of course. We need 2 paints of different colors. In this case, I have a red one and a blue one. We need 2 little sponges, a black marker, these 2 images of our dogs. This is the golden retriever one, and this is the chihuahua. Okay, we need these 2. We need a glue or glue stick, the one that you have, and that's all. So let's start. For this, I need one of you to come here. For example, Sarah, can you come here, please? Thank you. So let's start. First, we need to paste these 2 images. So we are going to divide our cardboard in 3 sizes, like in 3 spaces. In here, we are going to add the golden retriever. And in here, we are going to add the chihuahua, okay? And this will remain clear. So we are going to need these little sponges, and I am going to choose the red for the golden and the blue for the chihuahua, okay? So we take our sponge and we add in here some paint of red and blue, and I have the red one for our golden. So I'm going to do this to paint the whole background of the golden, okay? While I do this, Sarah, our partner, is going to do the same with the blue in here, okay? Okay, kids. We have the red one for our golden retriever dog and the blue one for our chihuahua dog. If you want, you can mix the red and the blue to do a purple color here in the middle of the cardboard. So I'm going to mix them to make a purple color. Okay, kids, so I mix the red one with the blue, so I make a purple color. As you can see here, I make a purple. So I'm going to add this purple to this middle of the cardboard, okay? Okay, once we have done this, we are going to write some expressions, okay? So, here we are going to adjust the characteristics of the golden retriever dog, okay? And here we are going to add just the characteristics of the chihuahua dog. But in the middle, we are going to add and write the characteristics of both of them. The ones that they share, the ones that they do together, okay? So first of all, we are going to write the names of them. In here, golden retriever, golden retriever, and here chihuahua. Okay, we have golden retriever and chihuahua. First, we are going to say that the golden retriever is tall. As you can see here, he is very tall, while the chihuahua is short. So, it is tall. You see? Tall. And he is short. So we are going to write it down. Golden Retriever is tall and Chihuahua is short. Okay? It is short and it is tall. Okay. Nonetheless, both of them like to play, you know, like in the park with a ball. Okay, so they both, because they do this together, they both play. Okay, so as you can see, we have here just one characteristic of the Golden Retriever. It is tall. Here, just one characteristic of the Chihuahua. It is short, but they both like to play, so they both play. And also, they both bark. Do you know where is to bark? It's like this. Okay? Every dog barks, so they both bark. Okay, so they both play and they both bark. Perfect. Also, the Golden Retriever and the Chihuahua are loving. They are so sweet. So, Golden Retriever Okay, so Golden Retriever and Chihuahua dogs are loving. They are so sweet. They are loving. Also, Golden Retriever is a family dog breed. What it means that this beautiful dog is perfect for families with kids, with the small kids, because they are so sweet and they are strong, so kids can play with them, okay? Okay, so Golden Retriever is a family dog breed. But Chihuahua is fragile. It means that these tiny and beautiful dogs are not for families with small kids as you. Okay, so they are more for families with, for example, for adults families, okay? So this beautiful dog is fragile. Chihuahua is fragile. Okay. Also, both breeds of dogs cannot eat chocolate. Chocolate is like poison for them, you know. If they eat chocolate, they can die. So we don't give to any kind of dog chocolate. So they both cannot eat chocolate. Also, Golden Retriever dogs are easier to train as they are family dogs. They have this ability of training. They are very easy to train, okay? For example, if you want your dog to play and to jump and to run and to stay quiet, they are easier to train than the Chihuahua, okay? And finally, the Chihuahua dog is the smallest dog in the world, okay? This tiny dog is the smallest dog in the whole world. Okay, so we are going to repeat this, please. Golden Retriever and Chihuahua. Golden Retriever is tall. Golden Retriever is a family dog breed. And finally, it is easier to train. Chihuahua. Chihuahua is short. Chihuahua is fragile. And also, it is the smallest dog in the world. They both, as I mentioned, they share some characteristics. So, they both play. They both bark. Golden Retriever and Chihuahua dogs are loving. They are so sweet. And both breeds of dogs cannot eat chocolate because it is like poison for them. Okay, kids, so this was our activity of Let's Paint Dogs. And the expressions, please remember these expressions because we are going to need them later. And let's continue with another beautiful and amazing activity.